Today we're making almond joys, Drake style. Recipe, you're gonna need some condensed milk. I can't substitute it with a banana because I already ate it, so I'm gonna go ahead and use some evaporated milk to make some. Step 1, heat the pan. Step 2, add some evaporated milk. I guess this one's been sitting too long. Add some sugar. Cook for 5-10 minutes. Some yum yum sauce, some sugar-free salt, and some pow pow. Mix it up, boys. Add some fresh toasted coconut. Do that one thing again with the fork. Some marshmallows so we can have some s'mores. To the pan. Good night, Johnny. Johnny, how we? Oh man, you ain't looking so good. We'll figure something out. Yeah, this, Johnny, ain't gonna cut it. We're gonna repair this with some marshmallows and some butter. This is all I got left, so I'm just gonna use this. Scoop them up. I'm gonna add about 652 marshmallows for this recipe, and then about 1.5 and 3/4 centimeters of butter. Yo, Karen, do your thing. Thanks. So yeah, you're probably gonna have to stir this a lot so it doesn't burn. I'm cooking it on high because I just want to get this thing done. So now that we have nothing that looks like almond joys, we're still just gonna call it almond joys because that's what this video is about. Use this piece of junk from Anchor first, but I'm gonna use this tray because it's made in the USA. I think it'll turn out better. Cover it in wax paper and fill her up. Pancakes. At this point, I don't really know what I'm making, so I'm really just gonna call it Drake's Almond Joys. So yeah, that didn't work either. I don't know if you can see that, but it didn't work. I knew I should have saved that banana instead of that evaporated garbage. All right, this is last resort. We're gonna use some muffin pans. At this point, this is kind of what we have. Some like goopy mess that you gotta eat with a spoon. Go ahead and top it off with some hand-picked almonds. I'm just gonna pick them out of the bag so we can consider them hand-picked. And just so it doesn't look as bad, I'm gonna add some chips. I'll just throw these bad boys in the freezer and just hope nobody asks me what they are.